My love, I've been thinking.
Thinking.
Yes, I've been thinking about this issue of us not having a child, a male child. Is actually disturbing me. So I came up with a particular idea.
Which is.
Instead of us thinking of me getting another wife, let us adopt a son and call the child ours.
What?
Right?
But it wasn't acceptable. Who will accept the child?
What is wrong in me adopting a son? Present it to them as my own son? What is wrong in it? Why wouldn't they accept it?
I love blood. Yes, blood matters. Blood. The kingmakers will not accept that child because that child is not your blood. Royalty runs in the blood, is in lineage.
Let them go to hell if they don't accept it. Let them go to hell for all I care. Is it a crime for me to be the last king in my lineage? Let them go to hell. Why are you even bothered about this? I should be the one that should be bothered about this garbage. Please. They should go to hell and burn to ashes.
Just calm down. You're raising your voice too much. Someone might hear you. Calm down.
My God that gives male children.
It's okay.
They say my food is not enough. They want my jolla. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook. Don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake. And I saw my soul. But now I don't face you. I go massacre them. I go massacre them. I go get joy again. I go massacre them. Everybody must go, let's go. I go massacre them. Joy, Benji. Ina baloli. Ukuna mayako. Onye wetele igo skata. Nene Benjamin. Celebrity cookie, no mazina, walaya. They say my food is not enough. They want my jolla. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook. Don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake. And I saw my soul. But now I don't face you.
Gosh, this guy is handsome. Just look at his abs. Kai, see what I've been missing. This guy is for me, no two ways about it. I can't believe I've not really taken my time to have a proper look at him. He's okay. I mean, he's so cute. Look at his abs. Imagine him jacking me up.
Celebrity cookie, no mazina, walaya. They say my food is not enough. They want my jolla. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook. Don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake. And I saw my soul. But now I don't face you. I go massacre them. Onyenji delen tapia. I go massacre them. I go get joy again. I go massacre them. Everybody must go, let's go. I go massacre them.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
That is not why I'm here. My friend, what are you making for dinner?
I want to prepare... I will make bitter leaf soup. I will also make noodles.
Hey! You will make bitter leaf and then you will make noodles.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Do you know how many calories that contains? A packet of noodles, do you know how many calories it contains?
No, Your Majesty.
How would you know? Who brought you here to destroy us? I ask you! Why am I even talking to you? Take a look at my father. His tummy is increasing day by day. All because all you give us in this house is cabs! From one cab to another. Eh? Benjamin!
Your Majesty.
I know that this bitter leaf you want to serve us. You want to serve it with fufu. Operia?
Yes, Your Majesty.
You see? You see? You know nothing. You can't even make use of your brain. The small sense God gave you, you can use it.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry for yourself. I don't even know why I'm here talking to a non-titi. Idiot.
God's time is the best.
Well, I don't know for my sisters, but I can't keep pretending anymore about this guy. God, he's so cute. I really do not care how awkward this may look, but I'm definitely going for him. Seeing him walk out reminded me how a handsome young man he is, and I'm being so lazy with my approach. If anyone, not anymore, not anymore. I'm going all way out for him.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Joy, ordinary cook, don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake, joy, and I saw my soul. But now I don't face you.
Honey, I want...
I want to sleep now. Let me sleep. What is it? Eh?
Can you please listen to me?
You won't understand. Whatever it is must wait till tomorrow. I am fagged. I'm fagged out here.
What are you doing here?
I've come to see you.
By this time of the night, please leave.
I know you might want to sleep. I won't disturb you, You can be sleeping. Maybe I just want to keep you company, or maybe probably, watch you sleep.
As my guardian angel or what? Please, leave. I need privacy. This is my room. Leave.
Listen, I know you are angry with me because of how hostile I've been towards you since you got into this palace. I'm very sorry, okay? It won't happen.
No problem. Please, just leave. If Lola comes here now, I'll be in trouble. Please leave.
Are you scared? I won't put you into any trouble, okay?
No problem. Go.
No.
Go, Neme. Yeah?
Igwe, where were you?
I should be asking you this question. I woke up to urinate and I couldn't find you.
Yes. I stepped out to drink water. I was very, very thirsty.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Why? Why do you ask?
Is there anything I need to know? You can't hear again.
Okay, what did you say?
I said, is there anything I need to know?
Like what?
Never mind. Good night.
Good night.
Ordinary cook, don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake, and I saw my soul. But now I don't face you. I go massacre them. Onyanji delen tapian. I go massacre them. I go get joy again.
Good morning.
Good morning, my princess. Are you hungry again?
Oh, come on, Ben. I came because of what happened last night.
You said?
I said I came because of what happened last night.
Did anything happen last night?
Oh, Ben. I don't want you to go telling on me about what happened.
What are you talking about?
Are you saying you don't know what I'm talking about? I mean, the food you saw me eating. It was not as if I stole it though. There's no way I could steal food in my own father's house. It's not possible. You know, but please, Ben, I don't want anybody to know. Not my sisters.
Okay. I've heard you.
Does it mean? Is there anything I can help you do? Please just tell me and I will do them.
No, I'm fine.
Alright. Thank you. Cardio.
They say my food is not enough. They want my jolla. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook. Don't to love a boy. I was in my heart to cake.
Bro, what's up here and this your palace job?
Ha! Miracle happened though. You won't believe this. All the princesses are now falling for me.
Falling for you, how?
Miracle.
That it be fantastic joke. Which one be say all the princesses they fall for you? As in
I resemble comedian.
Obama and you be a beauty.
See, brother, as we speak, all the princesses are in love with me. In fact, all of them wants to date me. They keep coming into my room every now and then, at odd hours.
Benji, this one no be joke. Oh. Then take advantage.
Take advantage of what?
It's a good opportunity for you. Since they are coming into your room, you take advantage.
Take advantage how?
Sleep with them now.
Jesus. Sleep with what? The princesses.
Now which one is Jesus? Jesus there. Sleep with them, they do like, get street OT. Knock them.
Okay, I begin to knock all of them. Igwe. It's achievable, but I'm calculating the risk.
Risk, what? Guy, there's no risk there. You just play smart now.
No, now this is wickedness. Sleeping with Igwe's daughters, all of them.
See who is talking about wickedness. Which wickedness is greater than the one they are giving to you in that palace? Eh? This is a golden opportunity for you. Punish them. Do them well. Guy, you get straight to now. Why can't they do like say...
Could you Igwe?
Hajaye, Ibaye, no time.
Yan could you Igwe?
Could you have?
Ngama mandikwa mma.
They went on Ghana there. Hajaye,
Ngama mandikwa mma.
Ibaye.
If you chop his food, if I met them, we are not from if I see Bentley, see a lot of fella. Benji the palace kuku. Hey, my brother, have you had the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo? His name is Benji. Benji the cuckoo dyer. He's calling there for kitchen and pot. Mr. Jeff. Hey, my brother, have you heard the Have you heard about the latest palace cuckoo?
Leave it. Get out.
Okay, my princess.
Get out. Gosh, sis, I hate this guy with passion. I still don't know why our parents are still keeping him here. They should discharge him. Let him go and bring in another person. What's all this now? Can you imagine? Look at the way he's dressed. Look at his trouser. He's so timid. I don't like him.
Well, that's you. Can I be honest with you?
Okay.
That guy, I actually do like him.
What? That thing. Adani, that disgusting thing. Please, clean your mouth. Don't say that again, I beg. I hate him. I feel like killing him anytime I see him.
Well, that is you. You have a problem with him. I do not have a problem with him, okay? Despite the difference, I still see a very handsome man in him.
I hate him.
Well, it's not for you or others to like him. The truth is that I do like him, and there's nothing anyone can do about it. So I think you're the one that have problem with the young guy, because I see nothing wrong with him. So you need to work on yourself.
Sis, please, I don't like him, and that's the truth. And there's nothing anyone can say about it. He should go.
That's your problem, girl.
The sight of him alone irritates me.
You must really have a problem with him.
My name is Benji.
No, your name is Benjamin.
Excuse me?
Your name is Benjamin, not Benji.
No. Benji is the name my late parents gave me before they died. I've been answering Benji since I was born. I grew up answering Benji. So that's my name.
Well, I am letting you know now that your name is Benjamin.
Excuse me?
Your name is Benjamin. Yes. Benji is an acronym for Benjamin. So you have to be answering Benjamin.
Why are you people bent on changing my name? Must you people change my name? Your sister was insisting on calling me Ben. It was not Ben. I was like, must you people change my name?
My sister. Which of my sisters?
What's her name? Ola or something. I think Ola.
Ola.
Yeah.
Ola. Wait. Ola came here. As in, she came to this room. As in this room. She came to have a word with you.
No, she came to fight with me.
I thought you said everything about him irritates you. So, why go to him?
What are you talking about?
Mr. Benjamin, of course. The one you chose to call Ben.
Oh, he told you that I came.
Yes.
Ooh, nice.
My sister, what is going on? Huh? Are you interested in him?
Hell no! Are you kidding me right now? What kind of rubbish question is that? Urena, are you okay?
Ola, it hasn't gotten to that. Huh? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's just that I was surprised that he mentioned that you came to his room. Yes, he told me. Because I know you, Ngozika, and Sistifi hate everything about him.
Oh my goodness. He must be very stupid not to have told you. that I only came to warn him specially not to give me beans again because I have ulcer. That's why I went to him to warn him never to give me beans again. That's it. So what's all this rubbish?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow. I never knew you were having ulcer.
I have ulcer, now you know. Your sister has ulcer.
I'm so sorry about that. It's just that you addressing him as Ben doesn't sound that you are warning him.
Orena, have you lost it? Like, no, have you lost it also? Are you okay? Wait, did you leave your room to come here to tell me rubbish? Are you okay? Get up, leave my room. Get out of my room!
We are just talking.
Go back to your room because you don't have anything meaningful to say.
It's okay.
What's wrong with you?
It's okay. Thank you.
Tatafo. Can you imagine? You're questioning me. Let me say it on that bed.
They say my food is not a...
What is it now? Say why you are here.
Oh, you're so handsome. Has anybody told you that?
No. No one has told me that. Is that why you are here?
Oh, sorry. I actually got you a phone. An Android phone.
I don't need it. My phone is still working.
Yeah, I know, but it's an Android phone. Take a look at it.
I still have a phone.
But you don't have an Android phone, so take a look at it.
I don't need it. Besides, I don't know how to use this phone. So don't stress me.
Come on, I can help you. I will teach you how to use it. There's nothing I'm doing.
I said I don't want the phone now. Why are you stressing me? Take your phone, I'm fine. I'm comfortable with my 3310. Take your whatever you call it. Go.
Benji, why are you being so unfriendly with me?
You started it first.
But I've said I'm sorry. I've said it several times. I'm sorry.
No problem. Can you leave me? I need privacy. This is my room.
I know. Benji, please. I just want to beg you not to tell my sisters, you know, what happened the other night at the kitchen.
Your secret is safe. I will not tell anybody. I'm not a basket mouth. We'll take your phone.
Thank you. But when I said you're handsome, I meant it. You're handsome.
Madam, take this. Come on.
Just hold it.
No, I was. Come on, take your phone now.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die.
What do you suggest?
Father, I suggest we take him to the hospital. To a good hospital where he can see a doctor that will diagnose and tell us why it's difficult for him to hear.
That will cost me a lot of money. Let's send him away and look for another cook.
Father, are you the one saying this? Huh? You that likes his cooking styles.
Urena, you are right. But I cannot spend so much on his health.
Why, Father? Huh? He is your worker. That means he's useful to us. Father, I am very sure that hearing us will not cost much. Father, please. Let's get it for him. Father, please. Father, please.
It's okay. I'll think about it.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you. Father, he needs our help. Even if it's what deducting is from his salary. Let's just help him.
Urena, it's okay. I will think about it. That is what I just said. Let me think.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook, don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake. Jay, and I saw him myself. But now I don't face you.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Everybody must go lesbian. Yeah. Jay, Benji, in a barrel.
Oh, sorry, you can go.
Okay.
Benjamin, celebrity cookie.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings.
They say my food is not enough. They want my ojolo. They said they hated me before.
Ngozeka,
Hola.
what were you?
And what does it look like I was doing?
I just saw you holding hands with that riffraff.
Oh, that. I was just admiring his bangles.
What? Bangles?
Yes.
But I didn't see him wear any.
You did?
I didn't.
Oh, I don't know.
Are you sure about that, Ngozi? I mean, what's really going on? Talk to me.
Ola, the truth is, sometimes that guy can be really charming. He's so cute.
What?
Yes.
Cute?
But that doesn't mean I, Ngazeka, will bring myself to have anything to do with that riffraff. Never.
I thought as much. I mean, someone of your class. Stooping so low with a low life.
I can't
Say
try
no,
it.
you know, right?
I know.
Hey, I was wondering.
I only asked him to prepare noodles for me.
Noodles.
Yes.
But the last time I checked, you complained about noodles. What's good? I don't understand.
Ola, I was only craving.
Craving. It's better be craving, baby girl.
Do you want some?
No.
My father said you saw a doctor today.
Excuse me.
My father said you saw a doctor today.
Yes. The king sent me to see a doctor.
Okay.
And he also told me that you were the person that suggested that. So thank you very much.
You're welcome. The best cook in the whole wide world.
I'm blushing.
You know you're the best, right?
I said I'm blushing.
So, what did the doctor say to you?
The doctor said I have infection in my ears. So they will treat me and also do ear flushing.
Oh, that's very nice. When are you starting the treatment?
The doctor gave me an oil,
Okay.
which I'll be dropping in my ears every night before going to bed. After 1 week, I'll then go back to the hospital for ear flushing.
Fantastic. Great. This is a good news, though. Hey, I will not be shouting when I'm talking to you again.
You said?
I said I wouldn't be shouting when I'm talking to you again.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Very soon.
Very fine.
Lorena, leave us. I said leave us!
I am still washing the dishes.
Leave.
Now that you have chased someone that was helping me, will you help me do the dishes?
Come on. Forget about the dishes. I'm here to take you out for lunch.
When we have more than enough food in this palace.
It still doesn't matter. I can take you out.
I can only leave this palace on the king's instruction.
Yeah. You're right, but I can sneak you out if you want me to.
I don't want.
Why?
No, that will be putting me into trouble.
I don't know what else you want me to say, but I'll be glad if you follow me out.
Sorry, I can't do that.
Honestly, my king, the Council of Elders aren't happy at all with what you said today in the meeting. And by their expression, I can tell they are fast losing hope on you as a king.
I don't care. I don't care. Oh no. What is wrong in me suggesting that I want to adopt a son in a meeting? What is wrong?
My king, you know it is not done anywhere. An heir to the throne must be of a royal blood.
The heir to the throne is going to be royalty by adoption. Once he's adopted, it becomes royalty. He becomes royalty.
No, Your Majesty. Why not think this through and see that it's wrong?
Tell your council of elders that I don't care a bit of how they feel. Tell them.
My king.
Tell them to go to hell! Can't you read my lips? Let them go to hell!
Mother, I don't like what is going on in this palace, especially between my sisters. None of them has regards for me. They talk to me and command me like a toy, Mother. Is it now a crime to be the last born of the house? Is it?
Orena, it's not a crime to be the last born of the house. Can you please calm down?
No, Mother, I can't. It is getting out of hand. Why can't they give me the same respect like a princess in this palace? Why? They always want everything to be about them. About them, Mother. They talk to me and embarrass me anyhow they want. Mother, they never cease to remind me they are my senior in everything we do. Mother, I hate it so much. I don't like it. I don't like it, Mother.
Orena, I understand your pain, my daughter. Please, just calm down. Okay, no problem. I apologize on their behalf. Is that okay?
Mother, no. You don't have to apologize for those people. You really have to talk to them. Mother, talk to these people, oh, because if they bring that thing close to me again, this palace will not contain all of us.
It hasn't gotten to that extent. Okay, no problem. I'll talk to them. Are you okay now?
Mother, I'm trying to be fine. I'm trying to be fine.
It's okay. What? My husband? Were you out of your mind or what? Do you know the implication of what you have just done? Do you?
I don't care. I don't care.
Can you please keep quiet? Let me remind you of the gravity of what you have just done. How can you speak to the kingmakers in the way you have just done? If the Onowu should hear that you told the kingmakers in their faces that they should go to hell, do you know your reign as the king is over instantly? Did you think of that?
Let my reign be over. Let it be over. It is because of my position. They are mounting pressure on me. Mounting pressure on me. My queen, I will never. If it comes to the worst, I relinquish my throne to another person. But I will never submit to their treachery. I can't succumb to it. I can never be controlled by them. Never. And they're missing an onuta draw. Never. Rubbish.
My husband, come. I appreciate you so much. If there is an afterlife, and I'm set to get married, I will not marry any other man there but you. I love you so much. And I appreciate your support for the children and I all these years.
No.
But please.
No. If the council of elders like, let them pull down the heavens. I will never succumb to their treachery. I will never allow them to control me. Never. I am still the king of this kingdom.
No.
Yes.
My love, why are you this stubborn?
Spare me.
They say my food is not enough. They want my chola. They said they hated me before. Now they come, they love me, die. Jay, ordinary cook. Don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake. And I saw my soul. But now I don't face you. I go massacre them. I go get joy again. Everybody must go, let's go. Joy, Benji, in a baloli. Ukuna no yako, onyo wetele ego skata. Nene Benjamin, celebrity cookie, no mazina, wala. They say my food is not enough. They want my chola. They say cook, don't to lover boy. I was in my heart to cake, and I saw my soul. But now I don't face you. I go massacre them. Onyanji delen tapia. I go massacre them. I go get joy again. I go massacre them. Everybody must go, let's go. I go massacre them. Joy. Benji, ina baloli. Ukuna no yako, onyo wetele ego skata. Neno Benjamin.
Benji. I want you to tell me the truth. The truth and nothing but the truth. Are you having something with my sister Ngozika?
No.
Benji, please don't lie to me. Tell me the truth.
Trust me, there is nothing going on between me and your sister. Yes, she throws herself on me every now and then, but nothing is going on. Trust me.
You know, for a minute, I thought you guys had something going on. The minute I saw her walk up to you while you were washing the car, I was so jealous. That was why I walked away. Benji. See, I love you and I don't want to lose you to any of my sisters. I just want you all to myself. Please. Okay. Okay, tell me, what do you want? I mean, anything you want, I'm ready to provide it, like right now. So tell me.
Anything.
I mean, anything.
Water.
Water?
I want water.
No, my husband told me the discussion he had with you. And I've come to beg you. Please and please, do not tell the Council of Elders what my husband told you. Please, I beg you. If they hear it, it will be very disastrous. Don't let them hear it, please.
My queen, you know I told you before that your husband is like a brother and friend to me. I love and respect him so much. Which means I can't tell the Council of Elders everything I discuss with him.
I'll be very grateful if you don't tell them. Please.
Yeah. I already know that he spoke out of anger and frustration.
Chai.
I don't blame him. That's why I kept what he said to myself. So, you have nothing to be worried about.
No. Thank you so much. You are indeed a huge blessing to my husband and I.
Okay, my friend. But you shouldn't have stressed yourself coming.
Why wouldn't I stress myself coming? On your bed and walk on a choking.
No, just go and relax. Don't everything. Yeah? Everything is under control.
Thank you very much. I'll be on my way.
Princess, how are you doing tonight?
Listen, I know you don't like surprises, but I've got something for you.
I have something on the fire.
It can't wait. Listen to me. What I have for you, it's a huge surprise. Now, look at this. My love. Will you marry me?
Excuse me?
Please, don't say no, sorry. Don't say no. Will you marry me?
Will I marry you? Come on, my princess, stop now. In Abodo, I should be the one doing this, not the other way around.
It doesn't matter. Listen to me. I just want you to say yes, you marry me. Every other thing will be settled, okay? Do you know I'm a princess? That marrying me will automatically make you royalty. And you stand a rare chance of becoming the next king of this kingdom. Do you know? Come on.
Like I said, I have food on the fire. Please, the king is waiting for
It can wait. Stop being timid. Benji, do you realize that marrying me will automatically make you a royalty? You even get the chance of becoming the next king of this kingdom, which is a rare opportunity.
Hey, Zioku.
Do you know what you're
where I come from? Why are you done? Okay. Are you getting me?
It doesn't.
Like I said, I have food on the fire. Your ring can wait.
Benji, it doesn't matter.
Please, my princess, come out. We go.
Is this guy for real?
Esther, honestly, I don't know what else to do. I've tried everything. My husband has refused to see reasons.
Then do as he expected. Yes!
Esther, I don't understand.
The elders want your husband to get another wife. Which he doesn't want to do. So you can step in the gap, yes. Step in and get a man for yourself.
Esther. Did you hear yourself? Did you just hear yourself?
But you said your husband has lost interest of sleeping with you since he has already given up of waiting for a male child. You may still have the opportunity of giving him the child to another man.
What? Never. I will never cheat on my husband. That is evil. What are you saying? I'll be the other woman? No.
You need a male child, and you want to allow your husband to sleep with another woman. That means you have already consented to cheating. So, what you should do is to get a person, another man, that can do the work for you. Yes, you have a child.
Esther, are you really serious or you're joking with all these your assertions?
Yeah, joking. I am not joking. I am very, very serious. And if you are talking about the person that will do the work, the young man I saw you cook. Okay, he's very nice. He's a fine man. He can do the work. Give it a try.
Are you serious with all this thing you just saying? Or are you joking or something?
I am not joking. Solution. And then what that is all. I'm not joking. You need a male child. So do it. No. That man in your kitchen, very handsome man, he can do the work.
He's here, my king.
You sent for me, Your Highness.
Benji, I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Just the whole truth. Tell me the truth. What do you feel for my daughter?
Sir?
Do you love my daughter? Tell me, just the truth.
Your Highness, which of your daughters are you talking about?
Ifim, my first daughter. What do you feel for her? Just say it.
Your Highness, I...
Remember what I said. If you tell me the truth about it, I promise you here and now, as I speak, I'll hand her over to you as a wife. Life.